Okay, guys, I got a 2005 Volkswagen Touareg, and I'm gonna show y'all how to change the turn signal, any of the bulbs. You got to take this headlamp assembly out, but this is the turn signal bulb. You just turn these counterclockwise. I just stick like a pliers in there and grab that and turn it. This right here, this just pulls right out. If you got to do this one, you don't even need to take the headlamp out to do this one. You could really just go in the back, just pop this clip off right here, take off that, and then pull that out. You got another one right here that you turn counterclockwise. Oh, maybe this ain't. Anyway, so in order to get this headlamp out, you only got two things to do. That's a 6mm right there. You turn that counterclockwise, and you'll see this gear down here. There's a sprocket right there. It's kind of blurry. There it is. You see that sprocket? It'll turn. You turn it counterclockwise. Then you gotta press this button here. You know what I'm saying? It got like a little indentation for a flathead, but I could not see it though. And then you pull it out. Once you push that button down, you pull it out. But look, you got to go in through this hole right here, but you can't see. All you get, see that little line right there? You got to move it. Just move that line over to the left. So you go in here like that, right? And then you're gonna come down. See? And then that right there. Hold on, let me turn this. Let's get you a light here. Here we go. Okay, guys. You see, if this thing will focus, yeah, there it is, right there. You gotta press that. Now, see, I broke this right here. I took a hammer and a chisel, and I just busted it out because I could not see that thing. And you gotta be able to see it. For me, I had to see it. But that's all you're doing is pushing this down right there. And once you push it down, it'll come out. So all you do is take the 6mm, turn it counterclockwise all the way into the sprocket till you see that gear right there. See that gear right there? It'll go till it can't go no more. And then you want to hit that button right there, and then it'll come out. That's it. Real easy, guys. Unless you don't know what you're doing, then it's you be out here forever messing with this thing. 2005 Volkswagen Touareg, guys.